Good morning, Yellow Jackets. I'm Mr. Stevens, the high school principal.
And I'm Mrs. Reynolds-Conklin, the high school vice principal.
Ms. Reynolds-Conklin, have you heard about the annual OHS Cultural Luncheon?
I have, but I'm supposed to say no. What is it?
Well, about 5 years ago, a group of students wanted to increase the understanding and respect for many of the cultures that we have here at OHS. So we decided to share cultural foods at a luncheon.
That sounds like a great way to explore other students' cultures and learn more about the diversity we have here at OHS.
Yes, it's continued over the last 5 years and it's become a highlight of each year. Over the last few, we've then changed it to Thanksgiving break, and students and staff bring food that represent their culture and share with the entire school during lunch. The staff and the greater community also donate money to supplement the offerings.
So how does it work the day of?
Well, there'll be multiple tables set up in front of the library. Students will form a line towards the office and calmly walk through. Students and staff will serve samples of a variety of foods that have been prepared. Each student gets a sample, but we have a lot of students, so we do keep the samples kind of small.
So what happens if the students don't know or understand what the food is or its cultural connection?
That's a great question. The students and staff serving the food will help explain the food items and how it relates to a culture.
So do you have to take a sample of everything?
No, you don't have to take a sample of everything, but we do encourage you to try many different things. I, for example, don't really like to eat things with jalapenos, so I respectfully decline anything that has jalapenos. But I do try to eat spicier foods now, more so after these cultural luncheons than I did in the past. Are there any cultural foods that you enjoy with your family?
We eat a pretty traditional Thanksgiving dinner. I'm the pie lady, so I'll make about 6 pies on Wednesday for Thursday's dinner. I was also raised on a farm, and so we like to grow a lot of our side dishes like corn and squash. And this year, in honor of my grandfather, we're having a really disgusting side dish called scalloped oysters.
Wow, I look forward to trying some of that. I'm making a Thanksgiving punch that includes cider, ginger ale, lemon juice, and pear juice. I like to make drinks for my family, so I'm making a punch for this luncheon.
This sounds like a great way to celebrate diversity at our school and in such a fun way. Students should remember to always be respectful when exploring other people's cultures.
Yes, this has always been a very positive event with students enjoying the tasting, learning, and learning about cultures, understanding the diversity at the high school. Students have always been respectful, appreciative, and engaged in our cultural luncheon. I know today will be another great opportunity to learn more about our fellow Yellow Jackets. Happy Thanksgiving.